Yeah, is it just too loose or something?
It's just, I think this is the original one, and it's just kind of clunky. So I just got a cable with a handle. On that last ride, you know, my chain got all...
Yeah.
I got to do some sort of welding fabrication there. Oh, and then I made a little...
Yeah.
To go there. When Nick said his fender fell off and he almost ate shit, I was like, oh, what would happen if a front wheel bearing blew up?
I think you'd hear it for a long time before it actually goes.
Yeah, I mean, this bike makes a lot of sounds.
That's true. It did make a bunch of weird sounds.
This was one of those late night drunken purchases. Yeah.
Do you think it's gonna be the right length and throw?
No. No, I don't.
Man, this would have come in handy with my subwoofer.
Don't mind me.
You did a really good job with the structure.
Looks sick.
If it fits the housing, y'all can have them.
Oh, interesting.
I'm not sure what I had them for.
Oh,
So if
they do fit.
if you can just like secure it.
Somehow jerry rigged that in.
Show Dan your melee weapon of choice, dude. Jawbreaker, dude.
Yeah, that would take the fight out of someone quick.
You got to be pretty centered on it.
Yeah.
Nah, I like to come in from a bit of an angle.
Yeah, 45 degrees.
I think that thing is actually
Yeah, it's too fast.
canola oil will probably fine for that because it'll get tacky.
Right.
That's what you want.
Let's see if
Turn it inside out.
take off my...
Hit. Okay, so that wire's good.
Okay.
So then your powers, then I guess would be what we look at next.
Right.
No. Low key.
Low key. You owe him a beer, low key.
Yeah.
So this could just play.
So it's not that bad on the pavement, but as soon as you're on the dirt and you hit any amount of bump, this thing will catch, jerk it that way, and all of a sudden you're going straight.
And the fender
Swings
stops
you out.
that.
Yeah, the fender holds everything together.
Oh, it holds those two things together. Yeah,
Yeah.
that makes sense.
Yeah.
But this support and this support both broke.
Really?
Yeah,
Best
so
spot.
both the top ones were kind of rattly. And then when I was going up the road on Wednesday, the back one broke when I hit a bump, and immediately I could tell that the steering was much much more sketchy. The entire fender pulled forward. These little metal arms got kind of wrapped in the spokes and around the wheel. And
Sketch.
it pulled it forward and just kind of dug into the sidewall there. But nothing got punctured and I didn't fall.
Oh man.
So I ended up just kind of like twisting the metal and breaking off all the accessory arms that were kind of sticking off there, and just rode it real slow home.
Now try the other side.
Okay.
Okay, that jumps up to 12.
Sweet. It's just a dead bat.
Strip that, and then here, let's do this.
Yes. Yes, it will. That's the answer.
Brains.
Okay, the reggie.
Oh, that's no.
Recce is not reggying and wrecking.
So you should have a pink wire and a yellow wire,
Yep. Pink to pink, yellow to yellow.
and that should be connected to your engine harness.
Yep. It is.
And then you should have a
Green to
green
ground.
wire going to ground.
Yep.
You should have a red wire going to the battery.
Yep. Do I need a red from the battery to everything else on the bike?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Right.
You do just have it jammed in there before anyway.
You are correct about that.
Little electric tape.
And as it was, so shall it be.
Yeah,
We're good now.
key turn, headlight on.
So is your battery going to charge though?
Oh, we never checked that.
Yeah.
Steven's still working hard on his chair over here. Oh yeah.
Starts. Oh, we're charging. Hey.
Ew.
All those
Regulating
broken
and
Reggie
rectifying,
Reckies,
man.
turns out they actually work.
Good, dude. Yeah. Well, it all worked out, dude.
All worked
Little
out.
custom leather wrap here.
I do love the wrap.
Yeah, the wrap's gonna get a little update.
This looking works.
Woo! Turn signals on.
Of course it is. It's the Tim special.
Yeah, Tim's. Yeah, the brakes lighting right up. Woo!
Still don't quite have the feeling.
Oh yeah!
Should we get
your chain all squared away, or do you do
I mean, that would be the next logical step. Like, so if I bend this thing back to 90, we're weakening it so much, bending it back and forth and back and forth. So like, something needs to give here. Like bend it back and then get something to go this way. Yeah.
Dude, this pouch is rad.
So rad.
Yeah, I'm pretty stoked about it.
I'll take 2.
Do you smash these rivets in yourself with like a hammer?
Yeah, you just peen them over. It's like super easy.
Yeah.
So
See
it
this thing?
never works.
Yeah.
You move the seat back and forth.
Yeah.
Allegedly too
Slide.
It's gonna be this before another seat.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Sick.
It's like complete.
I mean, could we
I know.
chase the threads?
Yeah, and just thread it down, or like. I mean, I'd be fine tapping it and trying.
I don't love that.
It was like something I was drunkenly looking through, and I saw those, so I was like, "Oh fuck it, I'll just get new ones." They were like $8.
My heart jumped when I saw that cop go in between us, dude. I thought you guys were fucks.
I thought so.
Yeah, and Steven's like, we slowed down a bunch just because we didn't know. I was gonna turn around if I saw the sirens go on. I'm like, peace, guys. I was gonna lead you guys in the dust, dude.
If I was you,
I was riding lead, and I had no speedometer. I had no idea how fast I was going. I was just fucking.
I was
going
so
like, what is
35, 40 miles an hour?
Exactly.
so nervous for
And we
you.
were going into French Town where it goes from 55 to 45 to 35, and I was
Yeah.
like,
Right.
brother, I got no fucking clue. So as soon as we got into town, I threw the stop sign on and we pulled over.
You
and
guys
went
did
right
pull
past
over,
us.
and that was a good choice.
I got the needle point getting
stop,
deep in
Zach.
there, but it was $5, so it's working like I paid $5 for it.
Yeah. Be a very scary ride, but we could do it.